My name is Bob Rupp. I'm a manager in the operations organization, and I'm based in New York City. I joined Uber in 2014. I've been thinking a lot recently about this idea of navigating versus wayfinding. Navigating implies that you have an end goal in mind and you can sort of make your way towards it. Wayfinding is more about making incremental steps in the right direction and then taking the feedback that you get along that path and in some cases redirecting elsewhere. It's this idea that the fastest path to the goal might not be the linear one, it might be the one that requires a lot of iteration. One of the unifying themes of my career at Uber has been to grow where you're planted, to really build the expertise over time in your area that makes you an asset to other teams and gets you invited to collaborate on problems and challenges that you might not otherwise have access to. For me, grow where you're planted has meant becoming expert in consumer auto finance. It's a challenge that many drivers face. It's a critical pain point for them. And if you're the expert on the topic, you get invited to help inform decisions that you might not otherwise have access to. So it's been an accelerant for my career, helps me to sort of make an impact on drivers and gets you access to more senior levels of decision making that you might not have early in your career.